What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. I hope everybody's reaching for their fullest potential. I got a quick trip today. I gotta go up to New York. It's a super quick. I'm back tomorrow, but you guys can tag along. I haven't been there in a while, so we'll see. So let's get it. Man, it took me a minute to get some parking. Jesus Christ, there's so many people here. I've heard, man, that, planes are packed. People are wanting, to fly and go to different places because obviously nobody was able to fly in 2020. But, man, I don't know if I'm ready for this, but I guess we'll see, man. I guess we'll see. Alright, so just like that, I'm back. Man, that was a quick trip. But, you know, every time I go back to New York, it kind of reminds me why I kind of left New York in the first place. I mean, it's crazy. It's crazy over there. Like traffic. I mean, it's so like populated. Like it's crazy. You know, and it reminds me of why, like in 2004, when I first kind of like, I was like decided in 2004, 2005, around there, I was like, man, I want to leave New York. I need to get out of here. And I drove actually down here. And when I came out here to Florida, I'm like, man, this is where I want to be. It's nice and hot. It's sunny all the time. I don't have to deal with the cold weather. I'm like, man, this is it for me. And ever since then, man, I made the move, and you know, I've been out here. But you know, there's a lot of things to love about New York, and there's a lot of things that I don't like about New York. But it was a good trip. It was a good trip. It was a quick trip. But I'm back. I'm curious to know though, you know, if any of you guys have ever been to New York, like what do you like about New York, or what don't you like about New York, or you know, what would you like to see in New York? So leave me a comment below. Let me know, man, so we can connect that way. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you consider subscribing. I'm gonna leave the video right here. For those of you that have been watching, thank you so much for watching the videos. Again, leave me a comment below, and give me a thumbs up if you like. And again, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and I will see you guys next week. Yeah, know it. Let's get it.